Meow! Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing muna, please. Anyway, I am here in Bangkok, Thailand, guys. And before ko ipacking aking mga nabudol dito, igawan muna natin to ng shopping haul. First thing is from Little Bunny. I went there yesterday and loka na naman ako at meron na naman akong nabudol. Anyway, ikabit ko muna to. Alright, so just hold yan lang kayo. There, I hope it's clear. So first, what I got from Little Bunny, House of Little Bunny. Anyway guys, House of Little Bunny is very, talaga ngayon, very hype talaga siya and maraming naluloka. And this brand is a Thai brand, okay? And FYI guys, they have only one store here in Bangkok and medyo malayo siya sa shopping area. So, kailangan mo talaga mag-train, mag-taxi going there, and worth naman. The first bag that I got, but this is not my first Little Bunny bag. I have already like 3. And ito addition to sa aking collection. And actually, the rest is pasabay. I have friends na gusto din nila. The first one I got is this one. Oh my gosh! You know me, I love pink. Ayan. Pink? Pink? I love this. And I also have this one. This is the Bento collection. And it's cute. Actually, parang the same lang sila, pero yung color. Ako kasi I love happy color. So, I chose this and this one. Alright. So, the rest, hindi ko na ipapakita yung mga pasabay kasi madami siya. Ay, matatagalan tayo. Mayroon ito. The rest is I keep it na. And also this one, pink for my friend also. And I also got wallet. Ayun. Hindi ko na siya i-open. Actually, ano tong wallet na to eh? It's a pure leather. Tingnan mo, nakapack pa siya. There. Ito yung, I think ito yung destiny nila na model. I-keep muna natin dyan. What else I got here? I also got wallet. Bilisan natin. The rest kasi guys is pasabay. I just keep it here. And nasa bag na. And pag nasa Thailand ka, kailangan talaga makadala ka ng mga inhaler. Ang bango nito, nakaka-addict ko sobra. What else? I got from Jelly Bunny. Jelly Bunny is also a Thai brand. Ano napakita ko sa inyo? Chinela siya. Yan. Ang ganda siya. Comfortable daw to sa paa. I'll try it. Ang matibay naman. And I got this one as well. Ito naman na wait, before that, ito naman ibibigay ko to kay Michelle. She's always taking care of my meow. Ayun. I got also Gentlewoman. May mga bag din. But this one is a hat. Hindi ko na ipapakita lahat guys kasi tatagalan tayo. Ang ganda pala ng kulay nito. There. It's a bucket hat. Ganda nito. This is from Gentlewoman. What else? Ayun. Mga blazer. I got some Thai chips. Parang ang sarap ito. Tom Yum flavor. Ito naman dried mango siya na medyo spicy. I got also t-shirt. Para-pareha guys kasi may mga pasabay ako. And this one, oh my gosh! I love Care Bears. Ito din, Care Bears tong suot ko. What else? Also Care Bears. Another Care Bears here. Ito naman siya, for the humidifier. What else I got here? Of course, I have cat food for my meow! Ayun, ang mura nito dito, guys. It's like 100 dirhams yung like 1,500 dirhams sa pesos yung lamang. How much is that? Like, this is 220 sa Dubai. And I only got this for 1,010 1,100 baht. So, mas mura dito. I wish I can buy one more. para may stock ni aking mga mini. And kinunan ko rin sila ng dry food, although nilulutuan ko sila palagi ng dry food. What else pa ba? So I think that's all lang na mapapakita ko sa inyo. I got all this small stuff lang. Kasi the rest is kasabay. So guys, please consider subscribing if you're new to this channel. Yun, I actually did shopping haul from my Korea trip last month lang. So I hope panoorin nyo rin yun. That's it. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Yeah. Ang high ko pa, kailangan ko pa mag-shopping para may energy pa ulit.